This is AI Command App News for Thursday, June 11th, 2026. 5 stories today: markets rally through a military strike, Oracle's puzzling plunge, hot inflation data, the SpaceX IPO countdown, and a split forming in the AI platform wars. Let's get into it. First, geopolitics. The United States completed military strikes against Iran overnight, and Wall Street's response was striking in itself. Instead of selling off, the Dow rallied roughly 400 points, and stock index futures pushed higher as the operation concluded. Markets appear to be pricing in a short, contained conflict rather than a prolonged one. But the risk is not zero. Iranian state media reported that Tehran will consider all of Elon Musk's companies in the Middle East to be military targets as it weighs retaliation. For business leaders, the takeaway is that the market is treating this as an event, not a regime change in risk, but supply chains, energy prices, and any exposure in the region deserve a fresh look this week. Second, Oracle. The company beat earnings expectations, showed real AI-driven growth, declared a 50-cent dividend, and the stock plunged anyway. Analysts describe themselves as puzzled, but the concerns underneath are concrete: gross margin pressure and plans to raise additional capital. This is the new market posture toward AI infrastructure. Investors are no longer rewarding AI revenue growth on its own. They are asking what that growth costs. When a company beats on earnings and still sells off, the message is that the AI build-out's capital intensity is now under the microscope. Every company spending heavily on AI compute should expect the same questions. Third, inflation. Wholesale prices rose 1.1% in May, well above the 0.7 economists expected, and that marks the biggest back-to-back increase in producer prices since 2022. Producer prices tend to flow downstream to consumers with a lag, so this puts real pressure on margins now and on pricing decisions next quarter. It also complicates the interest rate picture. Hotter wholesale inflation makes rate cuts harder to justify. If you set prices, negotiate contracts, or carry debt, this is the number to watch this month. Fourth, the SpaceX IPO is on the launch pad, and it is being framed as the start of an era. Razor's CEO told CNBC that AI mega listings are, quote, just the start. Ahead of the offering, Musk is pitching his terafab semiconductor factory plan at an ASML event, signaling ambitions that stretch from rockets to chips. The wealth effects are already visible. Reports describe SpaceX employees planning for windfalls, but so is the friction. Communities near xAI's data centers in Mississippi and Tennessee are protesting the gas turbines powering Musk's supercomputers, even as the IPO mints fortunes. And in a fitting backdrop, Vanguard's S&P 500 fund just became the first trillion-dollar ETF. Capital is concentrating, and the IPO window for AI-adjacent giants is wide open. Fifth, the AI platform wars are splitting along a new line. CNBC reports OpenAI is leaning hard into enterprise business, where it competes directly with Anthropic, while Apple and Google are aiming advanced AI at the mass consumer market. Meanwhile, both Anthropic and OpenAI announced major London expansions in a scramble for talent and revenue. One more wrinkle: Anthropic publicly apologized this week for invisible guardrails that quietly throttled its newest model, a reminder that cloud AI platforms can change behavior without notice. For businesses, the strategic question is sharpening. Which layer of the AI stack do you depend on, and how much of it do you actually control? That's your AI news for today from AI Command App. We'll see you tomorrow.